I'm Sarah.
I'm Heather.
And we are Oak and Orange, and we are standing in our Dream Home 7. And we are here to show you how you can save on your window coverings.
It's so easy to get to the end of a new build or renovation and not have enough money left in the kitty for the all-important window coverings. We know, we've been there plenty of times before, but it's time to give the old sheets trick the flick.
What has changed for us is that we have learnt to budget for this up front, and because we have found the guys at Home Blinds Australia, we can get the blinds or window coverings we love at a fraction of the price.
By simply measuring yourself, ordering online and choosing the do-it-yourself installation option, you cut out the middleman and can save yourself the big bucks.
And the quality is amazing. They're Australian made, and I've even used them in my own home. With loads of fabrics and colours to choose from, it can become very overwhelming. At Home Blinds Australia, you can order up to 10 free samples, and we suggest you get these delivered ready for measuring day so you can hold them up and check them against your paint and trims colour to help you make your final choice. It's time to measure now for our recess fit roller blinds because we're also having shears. So we need to measure from the inside of our window.
Great, let's do it. 24/20.
Okay, great. So now we just need to measure the bottom, the very top, and then the drop from the center to the bottom.
Great. Our samples have arrived, so let's pick a color.
Yes, and we just want something very plain and simple. Yeah. We just want it to blend in with our wall color.
Absolutely. So I'm thinking these two.
These two? Yes, this one's too dark. Let's take this one out. I think this is the one.
Nice and easy. And now where do we want to put the chains?
Chains.
See, I think with those two big windows, whatever you do on one window, you're going to do on the other. So if the blinds are up on one, you'd have them up on both.
We walk through the hallway here into the room. So visually, if we put one here, we won't see this one.
Yep.
Practically, if we put the second one here, so we can put both blinds up and down efficiently. I'm thinking for a really sophisticated feel, let's run the shears along the whole wall. So we go right from the very bottom of the cornice right to the ground. Yeah. We'll do one central opening, so they'll open from the middle to the left and to the right.
Yes.
And it will create a really grand feeling. Once we have all our measurements, it's time to order, and here is where you can really save some money. By measuring yourself, placing the order online and installing yourself, you can cut out the middleman and save yourself some precious pennies. If DIY isn't for you, you could also source a professional installer.
Designing a beautiful home like this one means we need to include all the window coverings to complete the look and feel of the home.
We included roller blinds to help control the light, heating and cooling of the rooms, whilst the sheer curtains add a softness and ambience to the room while gently filtering the light.
Choosing to do our window coverings as a DIY project through Home Blinds Australia means that we were able to save on the cost of window coverings, but without compromising on looks or quality.